go get them again.
Welcome back to the Robezoid channel. I'm your host, Mark, and on the docket today we have an unboxing first impression video on the brand of Clean. This is my second stab of the brand of Clean. The first stab wasn't very good. It smelled like hardly anything. Honestly, it was very... and I understand their whole concept now that I'm in the second one unboxing now. All over their boxes, you have this, cruelty-free, you have non-toxic, you have vegan, it's also gluten-free, by the way. So I understand their whole concept. Now, yeah, there's a lane for that for clean fragrances, clean, quote unquote. Now, it looks like I'm seeing a concept here. The first one was linens, something, clean linens or something like that. This one is the classic one. I think this is the original. So this is the one that started it all, the pink one. The other one was the yellow bottle, right? It was an old bottle, right? They actually, I don't know if they reformulated it, but the bottles are now stickers instead of the yellow bottle on that one. So this one is called the Classic, Clean Classic, the original by Clean. So this brand, I have 3 fragrances. I'm on bottle 2. I have a baby blue bottle to hit up, or a baby blue fragrance I see there from the brand, and that's it. So that is my dip into Clean. I've seen this brand. I've seen it reviewed on YouTube. I haven't clicked on them because I had no real interest in them. But the more I'm delving into this brand, it's more like a bargain bin kind of brand. It's a brand that, even though it's bargain bin, you still want to spend your money. Even though it's just 20, 30 bucks, you want to spend it wisely. And bargain bin hunters, have all the respect for them because they dig and they try to find jewels within that bargain bin box. And sometimes it just gets, I would assume, you keep going there every third day or fourth day at these discounters to try to find something, anything that is worth your 30, 40 bucks, 20 bucks, whatever. So let's get into the Classic. Obviously, doesn't mean that it did well, but I'm assuming they've got a whole brand behind this. This is the originator. We're going to see what this one's all about. Now, if you like a reviewer that does go into bargain bin fragrances like me, I'm all over the place. So one day I'm going to be doing Clean. The next day I'm going to be doing an amouage to something that is indie. So I'm all over the place, and I'd appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, much appreciated. This brand, I'm not too worried about, getting into the algorithm or competing against these influencers. Honestly, no influencer, honestly, unless they get a big check, and honestly, they would review it if they got a big check. They've reviewed some really suspect stuff in the past, but I don't think this is the target right now in regards to reviews. I might be wrong though. So let's get into Clean Classic. Let's take a look at the note breakdown first and foremost. And holy, that is a note breakdown. Are you seeing this? I am getting, 12 plus notes here. So I don't know, the last one, the Clean Linen one, or whatever it was called, linen something, it really felt like a 3-headed monster. There was only like 3 real notes that were doing something. So here, if I was a betting man, we got a lot of citruses up top, a lot of citruses, holy moly. In the mid, we got tons of florals. And then in the back, we got some more florals with musk. So I'm assuming, if I was a betting man, a musky floral with a little hint of citrus. So I'm going to get one of those citrus. So I'm not going to get a melange. I might be wrong, but let's get into it. Let's unbox this thing. The box looks like it came from downtown Beirut. Crazy. It's all, dirty. And anyway, let's open this one up. And yeah, so this has my old bottle, the one that I just, that yellow bottle. I think that was an old bottle because this is their new design, Clean, with the stickers going like this. Very, it belongs in the bargain bin. Like, it's very bargain bin-ish. The typical gray cap that is just plastic, typical atomizer. The cheapest that you can find, the sticker with the square bottle that all look the same. That is the look they're going for. This was released back in 2002, and I believe it was the start of their fragrance brand. So let's delve into it. We'll put on strip, then we'll put on skin. Atomizer's actually pretty good. Not bad. Okay, let's smell this stuff. Oh, it smells like dishwasher liquid. Oh my. I have to put this on skin. Are you kidding me? Yeah. Straight up lemon dishwashing liquid. Straight up. You're clean. If you want to smell like your dishes. Oh, no. Like again, it doesn't stink, but it smells like a industrial product for your house. And, you know, this is the price point of these 20, 30 bucks. Yeah, this smells like a $20 fragrance. I've smelt lemons like this on designer fragrances that are 100, 120, $150. So I even smelt this on niche products that are like $300, $400. So don't feel too bad about this brand and this fragrance that I'm kind of going, this smells like lemon dishwashing liquid. Yeah, it's that synthetic. It's soapy, but it smells like, I'm going to smell like your dishes today. Gross. Okay, well, I'm assuming this is not going to last long on my skin anyway, so a couple hours ain't going to hurt anybody, right? If I don't show up in tomorrow's video, you know what happened. Clean killed me. Okay, so. Jeez. Yeah, it smells like I've done the dishes. And the leftover suds are on my body now. Lemon dishwashing liquid, that synthetic. That bad. This does not go on your body. Smells like cleaner. So, what else can I say? Like, let's just end the video here, right? It's got, you know, it's got soapy quality because it smells like that. It smells like a soap. Lemon's not even listed in the no break. I'm just looking at the no breakdown now, and there's lime listed, and it does have that kind of, yeah, that kind of citrus appeal, but it's lemon. It's like an aldehydic brightness, but in a bad way. I wouldn't be surprised. There's no aldehydes in here, so there's some of these florals. I'll be honest, like I've smelt all of these florals that are listed in here. This is aldehydes. Like there's no real, there's no edges to it. There's nothing. So it's lemony, it's musky, and it's white florally kind of aldehydic brightness. This is the, I'm calling a spade a spade. This is synthetic garbage. This is what this is. This is not, and I apologize that if this is your signature scent, I'm sorry, but I'm outspoken. Anybody that knows me since I've been on YouTube, you know, a lot of fragrance reviewers like to tippy toe stuff and go, this is not my style. This is, but it might be yours. I know all those tricks to gain subs. This video is I'm gonna lose subscribers. It is what it is. It's my integrity. I don't care about subscribers, honestly. Yeah, there could be more tact. I got a mouth on me. It is what it is. It is synthetic garbage. How does anyone like this line is beyond me now. The first two are one didn't smell like anything, so it was a waste of money, honestly. Like it was very thin. Like if you don't like fragrances, you like that. And I remember linens something. That's what it was. Clean linens or something. It did not smell like linens to me. This one smells like dishwater. Man, they are 2 for 2 for being terrible. They are doing something interesting that, they're making clean, boring, and garbage. I can't wait to see. The third one is cotton something. It's blue, so I could see the name there, cotton something something. So it's going to smell like cotton. I'm looking forward to how they're going to screw that one up. They're 2 for 2 for being horrible, terrible. Not even in the ballpark of me actually saying, there's some fragrances that are just not good. And I'm just like, it's okay, it's bad. No, this is absolute, don't spend your money on this. How did you build a brand on this? Is beyond my thoughts. Yeah, this is not good at all. I'm sorry, but I'm not. Poop. Okay, so I got this at fragflex.com, and you can too. You can use my code TFG10. You get 10% off site-wide. I wouldn't recommend it. Go check out Fragflex though. Great site. You can find tons of cheapies there that are actually worth your money. I would not recommend this at all. Now that you heard my take, I'd love to see yours in the comments below. Good, bad, and the ugly. Let me know. Let her rip. Don't go after me. That's not nice. But I did say some things. You know, if it's your signature scent, I did say some things. So you can defend your scent if you want. But for me, and it's my opinion, right? There's not too many in that spectrum that I'm saying this is absolute garbage. To me, this is absolute. I would never spend my money on it. This experience has soured me on the brand as a whole. Unless something comes through, like I'm even cringing on that cotton one. Like, what are they going to do with cotton? That's my mindset now. I'm just like dreading, like that's coming next week. It's right there. It's waiting for me to be unboxed. Oh boy. Yeah. And as always, a great pour fragrance will make a lasting impression. You know, try not to smell like dishwater. Thanks for watching. Choose your scent wisely. Have a good one, YouTube.